How's it going, guys? So me and Jordan decided on the spur of the moment to do this really stupid trip. We decided that we are gonna go to Wales completely ill-equipped. We got nothing but sleeping bags, some rags of plastic, and yeah, we're leaving in the evening. So this is the worst idea we ever had, and here's Jordan preparing his stuff. Jordan, what do you think of this?
I reckon it's been fun. I don't think it's gonna be too much of a worry, realistically, but we will see.
We will see.
I like warmer countries, so even if it gets bad, you can just like lie in the dunes or something like that. Not like freeze in a river. Hey mate.
Hey man, how's it going?
Smile.
You know, we're going to Wales, man. What do you think of this? It's good. Good idea. Good idea.
I'm gonna hitchhike. I'm gonna hitchhike. Yeah.
That's how the journey begins, and yeah, we'll see. Hey Jordan, come on. You gotta get going. So a little update, we caught a bus from London to Birmingham. That bus cost us £10, so we have a budget of £20 to actually get to Snowdonia, and so far so good. But that means that right now we are stuck.
Aluminium is so cool.
We are stuck in Birmingham. It's 1:40 in the morning, which leaves us kind of stranded. We're considering several options. We could, you know, sleep in the station. We could go sleep like a hobo somewhere in the city. We've also considered going to a park or hitchhiking a ride a bit further. So yeah, these are all things we're considering, but we're not yet sure what we're actually going to do. So yeah, it's turning out to be quite what we expected. So we decided we're probably gonna go and find a place somewhere on the street. But we're looking for a nice little dark corner where we can like put a mat down and where it won't be a problem with security or something like this. You know, we knew what we were getting into. Just gotta avoid drunk people and hobos, not get stabbed.
A good stabbing never hurt.
Great idea, Jordan. Let's break into a church. So Jordan, you care to explain this one?
Well, we did walk around for a little while, and I think this is the nicest, holiest spot that we did find.
See, we want to repent from all our previous sins.
I'm not saying it's a bad thing, kind of like going to sleep, looking at the grey clouds and the church steeple, you know? At pretty much bang on 2 o'clock. I'm all in.
I guess this was a success. And we have 2.5 hours of sleep now, so we're gonna have to figure out something. Breakfast, we have decided that we're gonna try to get into the park today. We found a bus that actually goes up, and we're either gonna bus it up or maybe hitchhike a bit and see if we can find a place to camp or maybe a mountain to climb. And yeah, should be pretty good because you know, the sun is shining for a few more hours, and we finally we've got some food in our bellies.
I like we've got the opportunity to go and make a nice little use our one opportunity. judging that it was going to be a middle-aged woman that wouldn't pick us up.
Yeah, so we just got the first ride of the day. It was this young fella, as you got to see in a couple of the camera shots. Got us a bit further, closer to Mach. So we'll see where we get from now. Oh no, it wasn't? Oh, why did he stop then? That's pretty vile.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, these were some really nice people, a nice couple who picked us up. They dropped us off in Mach.
Or Mac.
We're saying Mac now, which has got a beautiful clock tower, as you guys can see. And we're finally going to be able to get on the easy road just to go north from here. So should be nature soon. What's kind of the
John Lennon, he regularly stayed here, the room here that he stayed in all the time.
Keep it open. Wow.
But yeah, it's like gone to ruin now, which is a pity. But yeah, I'm amazed they haven't kind of tried to push it because of heritage.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah, and I live there, that house back there. So
Beautiful.
yeah. So
What a nice spot.
So we just got off our, what is it, Jordan? 4th ride? Is it? I think. Yeah, it's our 4th ride, I think. Anyway, it was this really nice Welsh guy, quite a fucking character.
Loved his story.
Yeah, he dropped us off right at the bottom of this mountain we were not aware actually existed. So we finally found our nice nature and our camping spot for the night.
Look at that water. Imagine how cold it is.
Man, that's good stuff. Plan is, Jordan, keen to
Well,
explain?
So we can get up past the tree line here and then people go up to the lake, but potentially we could just go on further and go one peak and then to this next peak, which is the highest peak, and also it's got a hut somewhere in this region that we could stay at. It will be cold, but I think it's worth it to be able to see sunset and sunrise.
Sunset and sunrise. I mean, we slept as hobos in Birmingham already. I don't think this is gonna be much of an issue, you know. We don't have the hobo turf wars like yesterday. so here we just gotta share it with the mountain.
Potentially a problem could be if the hut's full, like this does happen in NZ quite a bit. You get to a hut planning to sleep there and it's absolutely full. There's people sleeping everywhere and you get like turned away. Well, it's hard to turn someone away.
Well, we got our shitty tarpals. We can always
like
just
to the side.
sleep on the mountainside. We'll figure it out. We're very
Quite
wise. we're actually usually quite responsible mountaineers, but you know.
Not me.
I am, and I usually do have the gear as well. But we will see now. We will see. I think everything's gonna be great. Finally, we're in nature.
I liked when that guy was describing idiots going up the mountain. He was talking about going up in t-shirt, running shoes, and just having a jump. I was like, yeah, you got me.
Oh man, but it's good. It's good to be in the forest, Jordan. Look at that.